Hey YouTube, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a USB drive or a bootable DVD of Windows 10. So let's get into it. You will have to go to the download Windows 10 page from Microsoft. I'll have the link in the video description. Just download the tool and save it, and then after you've saved it, go to where it's downloaded, run it, click yes, and it is painfully slow. It doesn't matter how good your computer is, it's gonna run slow. So we get to sit here and watch it for a few moments. Alright, accept. I'm being reminded of loading times on Bethesda games right now. At least for consoles, anyway. Alright, do not select upgrade this PC now. Click create installation media. Now if you want to have a flash drive, make sure you have a flash drive plugged in right now. And if you don't know what kind of computer you're going to be installing it on, or you might be using multiple computers, just make sure that you select the correct architecture. You kind of can't change the addition of Windows 10 and change the language, but you can choose 32-bit, 64-bit, or both. All of the computers I have are 64-bit. I imagine most of the computers that you'll try to install Windows 10 on will be 64-bit. So I recommend just going with 64-bit, but you never know, you might have a 32-bit computer. And if you don't know the difference between 64-bit and 32-bit, I will make another video about that. Alright, click next. Now, here's where you'll either make a USB flash drive or a DVD. I do not have a DVD player in my desktop, so I can't show you how to make the DVD, but it should pretty much be the same as making the flash drive. So click next, and then select your flash drive. Your flash drive will need to be over 8 gigabytes, I think. So make sure you have 8 gigabytes of storage on there. Click next, and now it will download Windows 10 and install on your flash drive in the background. So, thank you for watching. If you learned something, like. If you didn't, dislike, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.